Papa Ron coming to you from ET Camp, and this is a Canteen Cup Tuesday. And today we are making Mexican chocolate. We will be using this chocolate and powdered milk, water out of the canteen, and the canteen cup. And to cook with, we'll be using the solo stove and an alcohol burner. Start off by lighting the stove. And I found a little 4-inch drain cover that I'm going to see if will work for a grate to help steady the cup. We'll put 16 ounces of water in the canteen cup. We'll make 2 cups today. And we'll flip the handle up. And start heating the water. And the chocolate comes in these little round cakes. And for 16 ounces of chocolate, you need to use half a cake, so you have to cut it. It looks like this. And it takes half of one. Just like that. And we'll put the other half back in the box. We'll pour in, this is half a cup of instant milk. We're going to stir it today with chopsticks. And I think I'll break the chocolate up into smaller pieces so it'll dissolve faster. And we'll put them in. And we'll continue heating. And we'll get all the crumbs. And today I'd like to put a shout out to JourneyofBear. He does Canteen Cup Tuesdays, I think every week. I think he's done it every week for over a year. And he comes up with some pretty interesting ideas. So if you're into Canteen Cup Tuesday, you should check him out. I'll leave a link for him down below. I'd like to take a moment to thank all my subscribers for watching, and if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe so that you'll know when my videos are out. And thank you for watching. Well, all the chocolate dissolved, and I think it's hot, so we'll give you a look. There we go, there's a look. Now for the taste test, if it's not too hot. It's pretty hot, but it tastes great. Thank you for watching. And be sure to give us a big thumbs up. See you next Canteen Cup Tuesday.